Hello students, today's our topic is related to surface area and volume. Our worksheet number 39, class 9th. Now you have to given this worksheet and we have to solve this worksheet. Now we have to first of know the two-dimensional figures. You already know that the two-dimensional figure have the two measure like length and breadth. For example, the rectangle and square, triangle, circle, etc. are these figures. And solid object has the three dimension like length, breadth, height, and depth are called the three-dimensional or the 3D figures. Two-dimensional figure can be identified as the faces of three-dimensional figures. Some faces have two or more identical faces. Let us learn about the three-dimensional figures. Now, you observe that here, this is the figure of cuboid. Now, we observe that shape of each face of empty toothpaste box. All the six faces are rectangular and the opposite faces are identical. This figure is known as cuboid. In our daily life, we observe that my matchbox, our school book, that is the example of the cuboid. Now, if the faces of this box are square and the identical, then this figure is known as cube. Now, this is the figure of cube. In our daily life, cube, ice cream, ice cubes and dice are the examples of the cube. Now we know about the cylinder. We observe that a round powder box, it has the one curved surface and the two circular faces which are identical. This figure is known as cylinder. Gas cylinder, candle, tube light, these are the example of the cylinder in our daily life. Now we know about the cone. It has one curved surface and one flat faces. This figure is known as cone. It's look like a birthday cap. Now this is the birthday cap and this is the figure of the cone. In our daily life, ice cream cone, funnel, these are the example of the cone. Now, sphere. It has only one curved surface. This figure is known as sphere. It looks like a ball. Earth, moon, basketball, these are the example of the sphere. Hemisphere. If the sphere is divided into the two equal parts, then equal half is called the hemisphere. It has the one curved surface and a flat base. Bowl, half lemon, these are the example of the hemisphere. The surface area of a solid is the sum of the areas of faces. We use the square unit to represent the surface of the solid figure. The amount of the space occupied by the three-dimensional object is called its volume. We use the cubic units to represent the volume of the solid figure. So we can say that volume of the solid is measured by counting the number of unit cube it contains. Now we have to given some questions to match it. Half lemon, that is the example of the hemisphere. So we match it hemisphere. Shoebox, that is the example of cuboid. So you match it with cuboid. Football, that is the example of sphere. So you match it with sphere. Dice, that is the example of cube. Match it with cube. Tube light, that is the example of the cylinder. So you match it by cylinder. Ice cream, that is the example of cone. So I think so you must understand it. Thank you.